Hello, I'm Hickey from interest.co.nz and welcome to a special economic weather report brought to you in association with the BNZ. Today we look at labour force figures which show the unemployment rate rose in the December quarter from 6.5% to 7.3%. Now this was much larger than expected. Economists had been looking for about 6.8% and the Reserve Bank was only looking for 6.6%. So what's going on here? Has the labour market really fallen off a cliff in the way that headline number suggests? Well, not quite. What we've actually seen is more people looking for work. And when the unemployment statistics are worked out, people look at how many people are looking for work and how many people don't have work. Ironically, if fewer people are looking for work, you could actually see the unemployment rate fall. Now, underlying this, apart from the jobless figures, are actually the number of people in work. And that continued to fall, although only marginally, in the December quarter. Now, all this means that the labour market is in a relatively stable situation now. And economists are saying that this is good news from the point of view of interest rates, because the Reserve Bank can afford to be comfortable and keep the official cash rate on hold at 2.5% until at least the middle of 2010. So what does that mean for mortgage rates and for credit card rates and for term deposit rates? Well, even though there was a slight fall in wholesale interest rates today and the New Zealand dollar fell, that's unlikely to be passed on in the form of lower mortgage rates or lower term deposit rates. That's because the banks are finding it much tougher to find their own funds. They're having to pay much more for it, particularly local term deposits. And over the next couple of years, banks will need to put aside more capital to back their lending. The overall picture then is, even though the official cash rate is on hold to the middle of 2010, mortgage rates, if anything, are edging up, particularly those fixed mortgage rates. Variable rates, of course, are on hold. So there we have it. Unemployment up to 7.3%, but interest rates are pretty much on hold, particularly those variable ones. I'm Hickey. That was a special economic weather report brought to you in association with the BNZ.